the Supreme Court declared the removal of Justice Shaukat Aziz Siddiqui illegal. Former Justice Siddiqui is now considered a retired judge as per the court's decision. A 5-member bench, led by Chief Justice Qazi Fazi Issa, announced the verdict. The Supreme Judicial Council proceeded against Justice Siddiqui based on assumptions. Allegations by Justice Siddiqui against Majden Faiz Hamid were deemed serious. Justice Siddiqui was not given a chance to substantiate his allegations. The court noted the importance of determining the truth in the matter. The SJC should have inquired further into the allegations made by Justice Siddiqui. Opportunity for Justice Siddiqui to establish his claims was lacking. All parties accused by Justice Siddiqui denied their involvement in the allegations.
The Supreme Court of Pakistan did not give credence to Justice Siddiqui's words, assuming them false. Justice Siddiqui was not granted the opportunity to prove the truth of his allegations. Article 10A guarantees a fair trial and due process, rights that Justice Siddiqui was deprived of. The SJC did not specify the misconduct Justice Siddiqui was accused of, causing shock. Complaints from the Army Chief and government prompted an inquiry into the matter. Justice Khosa recommended an inquiry into the allegations against Justice Siddiqui. The Attorney General's conduct was criticized for misleading the SJC on judge misconduct. The SJC was urged to conduct an inquiry before labeling Justice Siddiqui's allegations false. Justice Siddiqui was punished for making serious allegations without a fair inquiry. The verdict highlighted the importance of due process and fair treatment for judges in legal proceedings.
Individual freedom was curtailed and truth stifled, disregarding due process requirements. Due to hearing delay, Justice Siddiqui reached retirement age, preventing restoration. SJC's report and opinion, along with the Prime Minister's advice, were set aside. Justice Siddiqui accused higher judiciary for the country's deplorable state. Allegations were made against Major General Faiz Hamid and his subordinates. Army reacted to the speech, requesting Supreme Court to verify and take actions. In October 2018, President Dr. Arif Alvi removed Shaukat Aziz Siddiqui from IHC judge post. SJC recommended removal of Justice Siddiqui due to misconduct under Article 209(6). Justice Siddiqui's removal was based on displaying conduct unbecoming of a High Court judge. Justice Siddiqui deemed to have retired as a judge of the Islamabad High Court.
In 1973, Justice Siddiqui challenged the SJC decision in the Supreme Court. The Registrar of the Supreme Court objected to the petition initially. Objections were lifted on March 25, 2019, allowing Justice Siddiqui's plea to proceed. A 5-member bench led by Justice Umar Atta Bandial heard the plea in 2020. 13 hearings were conducted on the plea by the bench. The last hearing took place in June 2022, but the plea was not addressed further. Due to retirements, a new bench was formed to continue the matter on December 14th.